Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most reliable product reviews. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best Champion book bag on the market, the Champion Manuscript Backpack in Classic Black. If you're looking for a backpack that blends sporty style with practical functionality, this might just be the one for you. The Champion Manuscript Backpack stands out with its bold, color-blocked silhouette and a high-density printed Champion logo that instantly reflects quality and modern aesthetics. It's designed for active individuals who want a backpack that can keep up with their busy lifestyle without compromising on style. Measuring 18 inches in height, 11.5 inches in width, and 6.5 inches in depth, this backpack strikes the perfect balance between spaciousness and portability. It offers enough room to carry your laptop, textbooks, gym gear, and everyday essentials while still being comfortable to carry on your back. Whether you're heading to class, the gym, or just out for the day, this backpack adapts seamlessly to your needs. One of the key features of the Manuscript backpack is its thoughtful organization. It includes a front zip pocket with an internal organizer, perfect for storing smaller items like pens, keys, or your phone. There's also a water bottle pocket on the side, making it easy to stay hydrated on the go. Inside, you'll find a padded laptop sleeve that securely holds devices up to 15.6 inches, giving your tech the protection it deserves. Durability is another highlight. Made from high-quality polyester, this backpack is built to withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining a sleek appearance. It's easy to care for too. Just spot clean with a damp cloth whenever needed. The material resists fading and keeps the bag looking fresh even after extended use. Champion is a brand synonymous with athletic wear and accessories, known for blending innovation with classic style. This backpack is no exception, embodying the spirit of performance and self-expression that Champion promotes. It's a reliable companion whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who appreciates well-made gear. Overall, the Champion Manuscript Backpack delivers a winning combination of style, functionality, and durability. Its smart organizational features, spacious yet compact size, and iconic design make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a dependable and fashionable backpack. If you want a book bag that truly matches your active lifestyle and taste, the Champion Manuscript is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews of the best products out there. See you next time.